Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a TV that's beeping annoyingly and refusing to turn on, you're in the right place. This is a common issue with modern TVs, especially in 2025 models that are packed with smart features. Don't worry. I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that could save you a trip to the repair shop. Let's dive in. First off, always prioritize safety. Unplug your TV from the power source before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical risks. Now, let's get to the fixes. Step 1. Check your power setup. Sometimes, the problem is as basic as a faulty outlet or a loose cord. Try plugging your TV into a different wall socket or power strip. If it's on a surge protector, test without it to rule that out. Step 2. Inspect all cables. Make sure your HDMI cables, power cords, and any other connections are securely plugged in. Dust or wear on these cables can cause beeping issues, so give them a gentle clean or swap them out if needed. Step 3. Perform a hard reset. Unplug the TV, wait for at least 60 seconds, and then plug it back in and try turning it on. This clears temporary glitches in the system, which is super common with 2025 smart TVs. Step 4. Listen to the beeps. Different beep patterns often indicate specific problems, like overheating or a hardware fault. Check your TV's manual or the manufacturer's website for error codes. It's like decoding a secret message. Step 5. If your TV is a smart model, update its software. Once it's partially on, go to the settings menu and look for updates, or use the manufacturer's app on your phone. Outdated firmware can cause these weird noises. If none of these steps work, it might be a deeper issue, like a faulty power board. In that case, contact the manufacturer's support or a professional technician, especially if your TV is still under warranty. There you have it. Easy fixes for that pesky beeping problem. I hope this helps you get your TV back up and running in no time. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.